You're not even me. You are you. So, yes, these ideas are great. These daydreams are great. These inspirations are great. But only you can figure out if that is what you even want to do. And the way to figure that out is to try. Try it once, try it twice. So one thing I hear women share with me is that they'll have an idea what they want to do for their kids and with their kids, and they always forget. They always forget, and they have the list in front of them, and they even forget to look at the list, and then days go by, weeks go by, months go by, and all those things that they wanted to do for their kids with their kids have not been done. It's like they don't even remember that it exists until they look at that list the next morning, and then within 10 minutes they already forgot again. So with, through the art of asking questions, they realize that those things, they don't actually want to do them.